Welcome to the March BeneFocus video. I'm Michelle Braddock, and here today I'm with Sheri Rasmussen to continue our discussion about exclusions and limitations found in your group insurance contracts.
In last month's video, we discussed some typical exclusions surrounding group life insurance plans. Today, we'll be talking about the more common exclusions and limitations found in disability contracts.
So let's begin with short-term disability. Whether a plan is employer-paid or voluntary, the exclusions tend to be the same. So here is a list of the typical exclusions and limitations that you might find in your contract. Intentionally self-inflicted injuries would be excluded. Injuries due to an act of war, participation in a riot, or attempting to commit an assault or felony.
Injury or sickness for which the employee is entitled to benefits under any workers' compensation, occupational disease, or similar law. Injury or sickness sustained while doing any act or thing pertaining to any occupation for wage or profit. Pre-existing conditions which can be included as either an exclusion or a limitation.
While we do not recommend including a pre-existing condition within short-term disability contracts, be aware that some carriers will include this. So make sure to be aware of what's included in your plan.
Now let's talk about long-term disability plans. The exclusions are generally similar to the exclusions found in short-term disability coverage. Intentionally self-inflicted injury, war, declared or undeclared, or any act of war, active participation in a riot, rebellion, or insurrection, committing or attempting to commit an assault or felony.
But in addition to these, many times you'll find an exclusion to benefits if the disability was caused by the operation of a motorized vehicle while intoxicated. And a motorized vehicle could include both an automobile or a motorcycle or even a boat or snowmobile.
So what about the limitations? The definitions surrounding limitations for long-term disability plans can vary tremendously. However, here is a list of the most common categories of limitations. Benefits are usually limited to 2 years for mental, nervous, drug, or alcohol-related disabilities, although many carriers allow benefits to continue beyond 2 years if the claimant is confined to a hospital or institution.
Sometimes benefits will be limited in duration due to chemical and environmental illness, chronic fatigue illness, or musculoskeletal and connective tissue illnesses. Most often, those benefits are limited to 2 years because they can be difficult to diagnose or test for.
And finally, there are the pre-existing conditions that may be categorized as either an exclusion or as a limited benefit duration.
Disability plans can provide an invaluable benefit to employees. However, be aware that there are situations and or causes that may limit or exclude benefits from becoming payable. So more information on this or any other benefits related topic, contact myself or Sheri or any other member of your ISG benefits team. Thanks for watching.